In this video, we're going to be looking at the Python list copy method. We're going to be looking at how you can copy a list into another variable. So first, we're first going to give a variable name. Then we're going to give it a list. Then inside the code, we're going to have a string. So what we want to do next is we want to copy the banana and orange into another variable. We're going to name another variable, which is the copied list, and we're going to now say this list dot copy. Then what it is going to do is that it's going to copy banana and orange into the copied list variable. So when we print the copied list to the terminal, it's going to print banana and orange. And also when we print this list, the terminal is going to print banana and orange. So let's do that. So when we run the code, we are going to get two banana and oranges list. So this is what we got. We got the banana and orange. You can also copy a list using the lists method. So instead of using the copy, we're just going to use the list. So let's say we have this here and we want to use lists method. So we're just going to say the list. Then this is not going to be dot. So we've copied this list here into the copied list variable. So when we print this list and copied list, we're going to get banana oranges twice. So that's the end of the copy method. So in the next video, we're going to be looking at the Python join list. So how you can join two lists together.